I would like to show you how to add someone as an editor on the spreadsheets for Membrano Milers Club workbook. First of all, if you'll open the workbook and look across the bottom and choose a teacher, I'm going to use Mrs. Chancellor as this example. And next to her name, you'll see a little arrow. I'm going to click there and come up to Protect Sheet. That's going to open a window over here on the right, and remember that we have already set up some permissions, so we're going to be actually changing them. I'm going to click here in the Set Permissions box. It's going to tell me that there are already some permissions set. I'll say OK. And then I'm going to come back over on the right and click in the area where the little black box, the black lock is. That will bring up a window where we can change permissions. So I'm going to click on Change Permissions. Then it will open a list and show me who currently has editing access to this particular sheet. It should be the teacher, Miss Morgan, myself, and we're going to add, in this case, Deborah Akins. There she is. I'm going to pick her from this list. When I'm sure that that's the person that I want to have editing access to this sheet, I will click Done. Changes are saved. If you want to double check, you can look right here in the box on the right. It now says you and 3 other users can edit this range. Before I added Ms. Akins, it said 2. You can also go back to change permissions and double check the list and just see who has editing access to the page. When you're completely satisfied with your changes, you'll click Done. You'll click Done in the box on the right-hand side and then close this window to eliminate any confusion between the sheets that you're on. And the next thing you would do would be go to the next teacher and go through the same process using the little arrow and coming up to Protect the Sheet.